In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the GOODBABY No Touch Infrared Thermometer. I chose this one because it is an Amazon bestseller and it had 50,000 people that purchased this last month with more than 100,000 five-star reviews. So yeah, that many people probably aren't wrong. Let's see what's in the box and then I'm going to tell you guys a couple things. I did love that. It does come with two AAA batteries, okay? Reasons why I love this. One, it's no touch. Nowadays, you don't want to be using like the thermometer that you have to like put in somebody's mouth because too many germs flying around. Also, we have the holidays coming up. So if you need to check somebody's temperature, I love this because no touch. 3 inches to 1.5 inches away, you're going to get a good clean read. It has like an assisted green light, so it shows you where you're shooting. It has this like, it has like a little cover, so you just want to pull that off. Okay, so let's put the batteries in. Some of the reasons that I love this is that it has like when it shoots the temperature, which it gives in 1 second, by the way, it's color coded. So it's green if the temperature is 9.6 to 99, and then it turns orange if it's 99.3 to 100.3, and then it turns red if it's 100.4 to 109, or as we all know it, time to get some medical help because I don't have anything to shoot it at that is in these temperature ranges. But guys, this is what I mean about the color. So it will turn different colors, which I think is good because that way, you know, you can just kind of pop it and then you're not having to think. It will tell you like, you're good, watch this, okay, maybe we're in trouble here. So I love that it turns colors like that. And it has a big backlit LCD display that you can see in the dark. Let me turn off the lights. You guys can see that because my other lights are still on, but so you can see it still very easily. So we just turn it on like this. I love that it does have Fahrenheit and Celsius, which is wonderful. You can switch it. It also has a mute button. Like let's say you have a sleeping baby and you need to walk up and get their temperature. You don't want to wake them up, so you can just press that and it'll mute it. And my favorite is that it has a memory function. So say that I take my child's temperature and then an hour later, formerly I would have had to write it down, right? Now I just have to press this memory button and it will recall. Just keep pressing it and it will recall, like I think it's like the last 30 times that you've used it. So that is an excellent feature. Let's just use my hand. It's saying I'm 93.2. I doubt that. There you go. So it says I'm 97.3. And then so we can come up. Let's check the memory function. We'll press the memory and see, it tells me 97.3. I love that. Now let's check the mute function. So you can see it's telling you it's off. And it gets a good clean read, no sound. Turn it back on. Once you put the batteries in, and it auto like turns itself off. So there is no on off button, so to speak. Show you the little light that I was talking about. See that green light? So that will help you aim. I mean, so guys, that's pretty much it. This is a big advancement for me from like the regular thermometers, the one that the kids lost where I was always having to clean it off because, you know, it's going under their tongue, all the things. This, again, for upcoming holidays, like I want to be able to check people if they're coming into my house, make sure everybody's good to go. I just think this is such a great buy, and I will come back on and do a review in like a month, but right out of the box, I'm very, very happy. Easy to use, small. Overall size is just over 5 inches. Just wanted to show it to you guys if you are in the market for a thermometer. Right, that's it. So if you guys enjoy quick to the point unboxings and product reviews, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.